Zebra. The unique beauty of nature, zebra is a very familiar animal of the vast grasslands and savannas of Africa. Their scientific name is Equus quagga, and they are close relatives of horses and donkeys. The most attractive feature of the zebra is the black and white stripes on its body, which make it a unique creation of nature. These stripes not only add to its beauty, but also play an important role in the zebra's survival strategy. Physical characteristics. The black and white stripes on the zebra's body are unique to each animal, just like human fingerprints. These spots extend beneath the skin and are thought to help regulate heat. There are three main species of zebra: the plains zebra, Equus quagga, the Grevy zebra, Equus grevyi, and the mountain zebra, Equus zebra. Of these, the plains zebra is the most common and usually lives in the eastern and southern parts of Africa. Zebras typically stand 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall and weigh between 200 and 450 kilograms. Their powerful legs are well suited for running, and they can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. Their ears are large and round, which helps them hear predators. Behavior and social life. Zebras are social animals and usually live in small to large groups. Plains zebras often mix with other animals such as wildebeest and giraffes. This mixed group provides increased protection from predators. Zebra herds usually consist of a dominant male, several females, and their young. Grevy zebras, on the other hand, prefer to live alone or in small groups. Zebras use a variety of vocalizations to communicate, such as horse-like braying and donkey-like braying. Their body language is also important, especially through the movement of their ears and tail. Zebras are usually active during the day and feed mainly on grass, leaves, and the branches of small trees. The mystery of the stripes. Zebra stripes have been the subject of research among scientists for many years. These spots have several possible functions. First, they help to confuse predators. When zebras run in groups, their stripes create a kind of illusion in the eyes of predators, making it difficult for predators to notice a particular zebra. Second, these spots help to keep insects, especially flies and ticks, away. Studies have shown that flies are less likely to sit on black and white striped surfaces. Third, these spots play a role in thermal regulation. The difference in heat absorption and reflection between white and black helps to regulate the zebra's body temperature. Role in the ecosystem. Zebras are an important part of the African ecosystem. As herbivores, they play a role in controlling grass and plants, which create food and habitat for other animals. Zebras are also an important food source for predators such as lions, hyenas, and leopards. Conservation status. Some species of zebra, such as the Grevy zebra, are currently threatened. Zebra numbers are declining due to increasing human population, habitat destruction, and poaching. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of national parks and sanctuaries, are helping to increase zebra numbers. However, the future of zebras is still uncertain due to climate change and human activities. Conclusion. Zebras are a unique creation of nature, whose black and white stripes are not only beautiful, but also important for survival. Their social behavior, communication methods and role in the ecosystem have made zebras an essential part of the African savanna. It is the responsibility of all of us to ensure the conservation and protection of zebras, so that this beautiful animal can survive for future generations.